Hi, my name is Chris from the Warranty Center. I'm also known as Mower Doctor in Kings Park, New York. We have a pressure washer. This one that came in, it's a Simpson model 60663, also known as a 4000 SP. The customer said that it has no water pressure. It's not pulsing, it just doesn't have any pressure. As we've had on the last few videos, we have a problem with the unloader. So we'll pull the unloader out and see if that's the culprit. 10mm wrench. Try to take this cap off, the nut off, and the cap. You have to take the cap off to get to the bottom nut over here. That'll unscrew that. Take the spring off, put both of them on the side. Get yourself an 18mm wrench. That comes out as one unit. Now you'll see the unit, it comes apart in two pieces. But this part over here, the tip on it, it's spring loaded and it gets stuck inside this base. And there is no way to take this apart. It's only replaceable. So you can see it's hard to push in. Here we go. Now it's easy to push in. It's advisable to replace this part, especially if it's under warranty. If you bring it into a shop, they'll replace this no charge, as long as it's in the warranty date. Put it back together. I'm going to put a little bit of lube around this O-ring here and assemble it back in, and we're going to test it to see if it works. Now this bottom over here, when this gets hard and it won't push back inside, there's a ball inside the pump that causes the release of pressure in there. And when this here stays down, it's constantly pushing on that ball, and that ball is constantly letting the pressure release and it won't build up. Now we already checked all the check valves to make sure that they were good. None of them were bad, and if one of them was bad, sometimes you'll still have pressure and you'll feel a pulsing in the pump, which we didn't. So let's get some grease. We'll put this back together. A lot of times we use Echo Lube. It works very good. Make sure that that's good. And this is still good here. We'll put a little bit on the threads for the O-ring. It's there. Put that back together. If you ever have any questions on any other types of videos that you want us to see, you can email us at thewarrantycenter@yahoo.com. We also have a link to our website. It's www.mowerdoctor.com. You can also find our email address on that. Don't forget to put the spring back on. Some people ask if you can increase the pressure by adjusting the nut that's on here on some of the non-adjustable ones. Sometimes if you adjust it too much, you'll deadhead the pump and you'll stall the engine, which can cause internal damage to the pump. Now we have inside here, we have an Allen wrench that'll fit in there, so we can tighten this onto that threaded shaft. We'll just hold that still while we tighten the nut, or the knob. And we're all set. Take it outside, test it, and see if your pressure is back. That's the end of this video. Like I said, you can email us at the Warranty Center at yahoo.com if you want to see any other power equipment, and we'll make a movie on it. Thank you for watching. My name is Chris. Have a nice day.